From the darkest depths of the ocean to the hidden corners of untouched jungles, there are creatures so bizarre, so extraordinary, that they seem almost unreal. Some glow like living neon signs, while others defy the very laws of nature. Let's tell you about some amazing animals that you didn't know existed. The longest animal in the world. Imagine an animal so long it dwarfs even the blue whale. Meet the siphonophore, a deep-sea marvel stretching up to 150 feet, which makes it longer than any known creature on Earth. But here's the twist: it's not a single organism. Instead, it's a colony of specialized clones, working together as one. Drifting through the dark corners of the ocean, the siphonophore glows with weird bioluminescence, lighting up like a ghostly ribbon in the deep. Each tiny unit, called a zooid, has a specific job. Some catch prey with stinging tentacles, while others digest food or help with movement. It's like an alien spaceship made of countless interconnected life forms. Discovered in the depths off the coast of Australia, the siphonophore remains a mystery of the deep, proof that nature still holds secrets beyond our wildest imagination. It's living proof that the ocean is home to creatures stranger than fiction. Now you see me. The Pacific barrel-eye fish is one of the ocean's most mind-bending creatures, and for a good reason. It has a transparent head. Yes, you heard me right. This deep-sea fish has a see-through skull, revealing its glowing green barrel-shaped eyes that can rotate inside its head like periscopes. Living in the crushing darkness of the deep ocean, the barrel-eye's tubular eyes are adapted to detect the faintest glimmers of light. At first, scientists thought its eyes were fixed in place, but later discoveries revealed that they can look straight ahead or tilt upward, allowing the fish to scan for prey above without moving its body. Its jelly-like head is believed to protect those delicate eyes from jellyfish stings, as it often steals food from siphonophores. With its alien-like appearance and otherworldly abilities, the Pacific barrel-eye proves just how bizarre and brilliant ocean life can be. The real-life zombie maker. In the world of creepy, mind-controlling predators, few are as terrifyingly precise as the jewel wasp. Despite its small size, this shimmering insect takes on prey much larger than itself, like cockroaches, and turns them into actual zombies. With surgical precision, the jewel wasp delivers a venomous sting straight into the roach's brain, specifically targeting the area that controls movement. This doesn't kill the cockroach. Instead, it erases its will to escape. Now, under the wasp's control, the helpless victim follows obediently as the wasp leads it to its doom. The venom makes the cockroach give up its will to live, but killing the cockroach would be too kind, and the wasp doesn't like that. The stung cockroach ends up as a host, and the jewel wasp orchestrates it all like an evil puppet master. Once inside a burrow, the wasp lays an egg on the roach's body and seals it inside. As the larva hatches, it slowly devours its living host from the inside out. This is the closest thing to a zombie that we've ever seen, the scary puker. The hagfish is one of the most disgusting yet genius survivors of the deep sea. This eel-like creature has a defense mechanism so extreme it can literally puke out over 400 times its own size, but not in the way you'd expect. Instead of vomit, it produces an explosion of slimy mucus, instantly turning the surrounding water into a thick, gooey mess. This slime isn't just gross. It's a death trap. If a predator makes the mistake of swallowing a hagfish, the sudden flood of slime can clog its gills, suffocating it before it even gets a chance to chew. Some unlucky attackers have been found choked to death, still clutching a hagfish in their jaws. When the coast is clear, the hagfish ties itself into a knot, slides the slime off, and swims away like nothing happened. It's the ultimate slippery escape artist and one of the ocean's most bizarre creatures, the secret shark. The ghost shark, also known as a chimera, is one of the most mysterious creatures lurking in the deep. Unlike its well-known shark relatives, this eerie fish is rarely seen, living in the darkest parts of the ocean where almost nothing survives. Scientists have studied sharks for centuries, but ghost sharks remain an enigma, with little known about their behavior, lifespan, or even how they reproduce. Adding to their mystique, ghost sharks have strange, almost alien-like features, glowing eyes, wing-like fins, and a ghostly appearance that makes them look like they swam straight out of a nightmare. Some species even have a retractable forehead spine, possibly used for mating or defense, but no one knows for sure. But from an unknown fish, let's tell you about a bird that sees it all. The eyes, Chico. The great potu is nature's ultimate hide-and-seek champion. This nocturnal bird is a master of camouflage, blending so perfectly into tree branches that even the sharpest-eyed predators miss it completely. During the day, it perches motionless, mimicking the look of a broken tree stump, an illusion so convincing that even experienced birdwatchers struggle to spot it. And the irony is that this bird has one of the biggest sets of eyeballs, and so evolved that the bird can see even with its eyes closed. And as the night falls, the great potu uses its most unsettling feature, its enormous, glowing eyes. These massive, almost cartoonish eyes give it a scary, otherworldly stare, perfect for hunting insects and small prey in the dark. When startled, it doesn't fly away like most birds. Instead, it opens its mouth wide and freezes, relying on its bizarre appearance to confuse predators. With its ghostly call echoing through the forest and its unsettling stare, the great potu is a bird that feels more like a myth than reality. But it's very real. The beauty from the ocean. The red-lipped batfish looks like it walked straight out of a sci-fi movie. With its flattened body, awkwardly positioned fins, and bright red pouty lips, this deep-sea oddity is one of the strangest-looking fish in the ocean. Found near the Galapagos Islands, it doesn't swim like a normal fish. Instead, it walks on the seafloor using its modified fins like stubby little legs. Scientists aren't entirely sure why its lips are so ridiculously red, but some believe it could be a way to attract mates. Whatever the reason, the batfish's face looks like it's permanently wearing a bad shade of lipstick, and we all know a girl in our group that could rival this fish. Share this video with them. To top off its weirdness, it has a tiny lure on its head, similar to an anglerfish, which it uses to attract prey. Between its bizarre looks, awkward movements, and unmistakable lipstick red pout, the red-lipped batfish is proof that nature has a strange sense of humor, the closest thing to unicorns. If you love pink, you might think the pink river dolphin is the cutest thing ever, but beware. Unlike their oceanic cousins, these freshwater dolphins from the Amazon River have a more mysterious reputation. Their soft bubblegum pink color makes them look almost mythical, and they get even pinker when excited as blood rushes to their skin. But don't let their cute appearance fool you. These dolphins are highly intelligent, skilled hunters, and some local legends even claim they have supernatural powers, transforming into humans at night to lure people away. With their long, flexible necks, they can twist and turn through flooded forests like underwater acrobats, hunting fish in places other dolphins can't reach. So, if you ever find yourself in the Amazon and see a pink dolphin staring at you, just remember, it's not all rainbows and roses in the wild. Another pink beauty? The pink fairy armadillo sounds like an animal straight out of a fairy tale. And honestly, it might as well have been named by a little girl. With its pale pink armor-like shell and tiny rounded body, this little critter looks like it was designed to be the mascot of a children's fantasy world. Found in the dry regions of Argentina, the pink fairy armadillo is adored by children for its almost magical appearance. But don't let its cuteness fool you. Despite its delicate look, the pink fairy armadillo is an expert digging machine, burrowing swiftly into the ground to avoid predators and create cozy little dens. It can even use its pink underside as a shield against the harsh sun. Its tiny size and adorable features only make it more lovable. It's basically the ultimate tiny armored fairy of the animal kingdom. And really, who wouldn't want a magical pink creature like this in their life? The red face. The uakari is a monkey that might make you do a double take. With its bright red face and short, bald head, it's one of the most striking and unforgettable creatures in the Amazon rainforest. It might look like it's wearing a permanent frown, but that bold expression is just part of its unique charm. Known for its glistening red face and white fur, the uakari's appearance has earned it the nickname the grinning monkey. Though it's anything but cheerful, the red face is a sign of good health in males, and it's believed to help attract mates. Beyond its wild looks, the uakari is a tree-dwelling acrobat, known for hopping between branches in search of fruit, seeds, and insects. This monkey's unusual appearance only adds to its mysterious appeal, making it one of the most intriguing residents of the rainforest. If you ever catch a glimpse of it, you'll definitely remember the grinning red-faced uakari. Well, this is it for today's video. We hope that you liked it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.